Free kick, Miami. Messi, Allende, Messi. Brutal real estate to give away to Leo Messi from Eddie Taxif. Messi! And can hardly think of what Messi does. Stay in. That is 7.
But then quickly get the other side.
Career.
Their Messi moment of magic.
Mortal Messi. Direct free kick goals.
Recalibrate. They said again on the end of these.
Messi, torque Falcon, lifted up and above the bar.
By one way or the other, it gets up and over. I'm not sure that's exactly how Jason would have meant to get.
Andy Nahar curls the ball in. Mukhtar! It had to be Hani.
The second Suarez feels that tug of nearly enough movement in the final. Defender Martinez out of the space. That's where Mukhtar.
Palacios gives Willis quite a bit to think about. And he gave it away to Messi. Messi around Willis. It is Leo Messi! 5 games, 5 braces.
His hand, and he continues to deliver. Messi just continues to deliver. His comfortable in possession here, but it's just that little bit of a chance in which Messi takes where he jumps the route.
Messi returns. Jordi Alba, end line, service. Tried to take that out of the... Messi return. It is done. Messi again, a brace. 5. They continue to catapult up the standings. A 2-1 win over Nashville.